Hi, we're the Economics Department from Arizona State University, and today we're going to be covering opportunity costs and the production possibilities curve. Before we begin, we want to remind you that teaching methods may vary in notation, so always check with your professor if you have a question. I'm Chloe.
I'm Lisa. And I'm Emily.
Now we're going to do some examples to examine how opportunity cost works. To start, we're going to start with the second set of questions because they're a little bit more simple. The first question says, what is the opportunity cost for 25 more alfalfa from combination A to B? For this question, we're only going to be concerned with A and B, so we don't have to look at the rest of the chart. So, to gain 25 alfalfa from 0 to 25, we're going to look at what happens to the cotton. A gain in 25 alfalfa means that there is going to be a loss in cotton from 100 to 97. This loss in cotton represents the opportunity cost of gaining 25 alfalfa. So, our opportunity cost in gaining 25 more alfalfa from combination A to B is 3 cotton. Now we will do the second question. What is the opportunity cost for 25 more alfalfa from combination B to C? For this question, we're only going to be looking at B and C now, as we switch to color blue. So, to go from 25 to 50 alfalfa, we're going from 97 to 89 cotton. This means to gain 25 more alfalfa, we're going to lose 8 cotton. So the opportunity cost is 8 cotton.
Alright, so from this previous question, we were able to determine when we move from combination A to combination B, we lose 3 cotton for every 25 alfalfa. So now we're going to approach this question. What is the opportunity cost for 1 more alfalfa from combination A to B? Okay, so when we move from 0 to 25 alfalfa from A to B, and we move from 100 to 97 cotton, we've gained 25 alfalfa. I'm just going to put it as an A. And we've lost 3 cotton. So we figured that out in the last problem. But we can also write this as a ratio. So if we write 25 to 3, and the question's asking us the cost of 1 more alfalfa, we want to create a ratio that's going to be 1 to something else. So how do we do that? Well, if we divide both sides by 25, or if you want to think of it like this, if we divide the amount lost by the amount gained, we know that for 1 alfalfa, 1A, we lose 3 25ths of a cotton. And so the answer to the question, what is the opportunity cost for 1 more alfalfa from combination A to B, would be 3 25ths cotton. So it's important to realize that even though the question's asking what is the opportunity cost for 1 more alfalfa, it's not 3 25ths alfalfa, it's 3 25ths cotton, because we're not losing alfalfa, we're losing the cotton. Alright, now for this second question, what is the opportunity cost for 1 more alfalfa from combination B to C? We're looking at these two, B to C. So we're no longer looking at that interval over A. So if we're moving from 97 to 89, as we figured out in the other problem, we've lost 8 cotton. And as we move from 25 alfalfa to 50 alfalfa, we have gain 25 alfalfa. So just like in that last problem, we're going to set this up as a ratio. So we're going to put the gains first. So we gained 25 alfalfa. Well, how many did we lose? We lost 8 cotton. And the question's asking the opportunity cost for 1 more alfalfa, not 25. So how do we rearrange this? All right, so let's divide by 25 like we did in the other problem. Or also, we're dividing the amount lost, 8, by the amount gained, 25. And that gives us the opportunity cost for 1 alfalfa is 8/25 cotton. So don't really have enough room right there. I'm going to write it down here, 8/25 cotton. And like I said earlier, it's important to remember that even though it's asking about the opportunity cost for alfalfa, we're finding how much we lost. So we're focusing on cotton.
So for this problem, we're going to complete the column for opportunity cost of 1 more alfalfa for all the combinations. So for this, what we can do is do number lost over the number gained. And in this case, it'd be the number of alfalfa gained. So if we look at the column, which I've drawn again on the bottom, for column A, there's nothing to compare to, so there wouldn't be a ratio for that one. But for column B, the number lost, you'd look at cotton, and 100 minus 97 is 3, so this is for B. It'd be 3 over 0 to 25, so it'd be 25. So 3 over 25 would be, so the opportunity cost for B would be 3 over 25 cotton for 1 alfalfa. So if you keep going down the column, for the next one, you would compare the 25 to 50, which would give you 25 alfalfa on the bottom, and then 97 minus 89, so B to C, which gives you 8. Therefore, you'd be giving up 8/25 cotton for 1 alfalfa. And then for the rest, we're just going to keep doing the same subtraction down the line. So from C to D, it'd be 89 minus 75, which is 14 cotton for 25 alfalfa. And then from D to E, that would be 75 minus 55, which is 20 over 25. And then from E to F, that would be 55 minus 30, which is 25 over 25, also 1. And then finally, from F to G, it's 30 minus 0, which would be 30 over 25. And that's how you complete the column.
We hope this video was really helpful. If you need any more help, you can always come to the Economics Tutoring Center.